We're doing our business plan for next year for 2025 right now. We're not adding any more software engineers next year because we have increased the productivity this year with Agentforce and with other AI technology that we're using for our engineering teams by more than 30%, to the point where our engineering velocity is incredible. We're not adding any more software engineers next year.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Hey guys, so what's up? You will not believe this. About a month ago, the Salesforce CEO came out and said that he no longer needs software engineer for the year 2025, and this absolutely shocked the internet. Everyone is talking about. Every content creator is saying that software engineers are gonna be replaced, with none of them actually taking the time and going into Salesforce job board, which currently features 717 openings for software engineers. And you might be thinking, oh, these are all old openings from like 2016. You're here to trick us, Itamar. But no, a lot of these openings are just very recent. Some of them were even released today. So let's just go through them real quick. This one was released today. It's in the United States. This one was released today. It's in Ireland. Yep, let's go. This one was released today, also in the United States. This one was released, yep, let's go, India. So there are, and another one in the United States, and it was released a few days ago. So there are been a lot of people, hyping this up, saying it's the end of software engineers. But, well, Salesforce is still hiring a lot of software engineers, so we might have to conclude this as just hype from the CEO. And you need to just think to yourself for 1 second, why would someone who is selling AI want to lie to me about the capabilities and how they're using their AI and how effective their AI is? Why would someone who's trying to sell me AI want to lie to me about AI? I don't know. I have no idea why anyone would just say things that are incorrect. But something that's very important that people also need to realize and understand. I don't use Salesforce myself, but based on these customer reviews, and it's at 1.4, Salesforce is a product from what I'm reading. So for example, it says here, it is utterly crap, full of bugs. It is a product that would benefit from having more software engineers anyways. So it doesn't make any sense that you would allow AI agents to write your code when your code isn't even at a good level in the first place, because if you have all these software bugs, the AI agents are just going to copy and paste places from your code base and just introduce more problems. So Salesforce isn't even the company that should be using AI agents, because their software is not at that level where they can just say, we don't need engineers, we are just going to get some AI agents. And this is just very important about generative AI just in general. It's just a copy and paste machine. It is not a software engineer. I will bet everything I own that the worst junior developer, just someone who just got the job straight away, has no idea what programming is, would write superior code to the best LLMs that you have after a few months of training, because the difference is the worst junior developer will be able to think, whereas your LLM is going to have to rely on things it's already seen before. So that's going to be my take. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my video, and this has been a bit of a rant. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I want to bring more videos like this, so please show me that you guys want these kinds of videos. And also, this kind of video does hurt my chances of getting a job in the industry, because now I probably can't get a job at Salesforce for exposing their software and saying that their AI doesn't work. So it hurts my chances of getting more opportunities. So if you guys could just leave a like, comment, and subscribe, that would be enough. I also have a Patreon and a Discord if you're interested. But anyways, keep tight. Have a nice day, guys.